In Dependency Parser, users can analyze syntactic dependencies involving specific search terms in corpora. First, specify the search term in Search Settings search term. Note that only single words are allowed here. Then, click Generate Table. In the results, the words in the columns head and dependent constitute a dependency structure, and the column dependency relation specifies the relation between them. The next two columns calculate the relative and absolute dependency length or distance between the head and dependent. The dependency length is positive if the head follows the dependent, and becomes negative if the head precedes the dependent. If the search term is the root of the structure, then dependency length is 0. The column sentence displays the sentence where the dependency relation is found, and the last several columns specify the precise location of that sentence in corpora. It is also possible to visualize the dependency relations of sentences. First, select in the table the sentences that you want to visualize and modify the settings in Figure Settings. Then click Generate Figure. The generated dependency graph should be opened automatically in the default browser on your computer. If not, please follow the instructions in the dialog and try opening the figure manually.